Welcome back mga kamestek. Good morning. Good morning mga kamestek. Okay. Let's have a general reading for Capricorn. Earth signs, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. So ito ay para sa lahat ng mga Capricorn na makaka-resonate. And if you are a Capricorn, Sun, and Rising sign at hindi ka maka-resonate sa reading na ito, it's better for you to not to take it serious, okay? So, hindi rin siya talaga literally para sa lahat. Para lamang siya sa lahat ng mga Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign na makakaramdam ng pagka-resonate sa reading na ito. Kunin nyo lang yung message na para sa inyo at iwan nyo ang hindi, and kindly share this video to your other platforms para makita rin ng mga other Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. No age limits, no gender, okay? So, kung sino lang po makaresonate. Timeless ito. Pwedeng nangyari na siya sa past na mangyayari ulit sa present ninyo. Or to some of you is mangyayari pa lang right now at sa mga susunod pang magdadaang panahon at taon. Kaya pwede nyo pong i-replay itong video na to check if it's already happening na to you or not. So ano nga ba ang message sa inyong Capricorn universe? Capricorn, ano nga bang message ng universe sa inyo? So let's see. Okay, this is for Capricorn. Message ng universe. Okay. So Capricorn, okay, we've got here the lovers. Okay, to some of you, it looks like starting to fall in love again or to fall in love again with someone. Kasi I know is may mga matatagal sa inyong naging single or naging bakante. Diba? Or nabakante, not naging bakante, nabakante. Pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, Capricorn. And your spirit guides, your message from the universe is telling to you to mingle or at least try to socialize with other people. Bigyan nyo ng time yung sarili ninyo na kumilala ng ibang tao. Okay, kasi medyo takot kayong magtiwala, takot na kayong mag-take ng risk. It's because of your traumatic experience from your trauma from the past. Okay, now is the time, Capricorn, to take a chance to know someone else right now. Okay, you need to make a decision as of the moment. Mag-decide na kayo kung kayo ba ay kikilala ng bago or hindi, or iaalaw nyo pumasok tong mga taong to sa buhay ninyo, because for what I can see here, may mga taong nagbabalak or nagtatangka kahit papaano umenter sa buhay ninyo. They're trying their best to reach out on you, Capricorns, but ikaw tong medyo nagmamatigas at ma-pride because of your past, because of what you experienced from the past, okay? So, yung nakikita ko dito, you really need to take some risk. What more? Okay, so it looks like talagang for this month of May to June, may possibility to some of you na walang karelasyon, Capricorn, is magkakaroon na ng partner for good. At hindi siya private relationship it will be publicly. Okay, nakikita ko dito ipapublic kayo na to. At medyo may average po ng konti yung age ng magiging partner ninyo, Capricorn. Okay, gender, non-gender, okay, no age limit po. Pwede magkapalit, pwede ikaw girl na Capricorn or boy na Capricorn, doesn't matter. But it looks like meron ditong kayong magiging partner na mas average. Kung average age mo, pwedeng mas ma-average to sa inyo, mas matanda, mas may edad. Pwedeng 2 to 3 years or 2 to 3 years ang agwat ninyo or 5, it depends, but age doesn't matter, diba? I can see here na medyo well-matured na rin itong magiging partner ninyo. It could be a Taurus or a Virgo. Okay, Kapwa Earth signs nyo rin to, kaya may possibility na magkaintindihan talaga kayo, and it's a good sign, okay? I can also see here na twin flame energy, just like what I said. It's either a Taurus or a Virgo. So may possibility na Kapwa Earth signs wala din na maging partner ninyo na matagal din na bakante pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, and the feeling is mutual. Hindi ka lang niya magugustuhan, so may tendency na magkagustuhan talaga kayo on your first meet, or baka ito na yung time para maniwala kayo, Capricorns, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign na meron talagang love at first sight. Okay, pwede kayo ma-love at first sight. I can also see here to some of you, it's possible na maging ka-work nyo to or maging kastudyante, kung kayo ay student, kung kayo ay nasa senior high or college, or it's either kayo ay very well independent na tao at nag-work kayo sa isang company, sa isang area na doon may possibility na mag-meet or maging mag-work kayo somehow. Kasi nakikita ko dito very well matured and independent na po itong taong to. So what more about of this person? Okay. So nakikita ko dito Capricorn na sobrang obsessed talaga tong taong to sa'yo at sobrang lakas ng loob niya to chase you. May mga moments dito na darating na ikaw ay try na tong itis at some point to check kung ikaw ba ay madaling bumugay or hindi. After all, you're both earth sign, so you know your limits, you know your standard, and you know how to control yourself. But it looks like sometimes you're both playful din naman, and you're just trying to play these mind games to test kung sino bang unang bibigay sa inyong dalawa. I can see you're in a very attracted kayo sa isa't isa. It's because of you, both of you are good looking or you have this unexplainable charisma, 'di ba? That attracts each other's like para kayong magnet, okay? And I can see the confidence in your connections, the spark in your relationship. So let's move forward to your career, Capricorns. Career na tayo, we're done on love reading for Capricorn. Okay, career for Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn, regarding on your career, kung nahihirapan na kayo sa work, business ninyo, give up na po. Meron kayong biggest celebration na i-enjoy or i-workout for this month of April to May until to June. Meron kayong mga dapat celebrate ipagbunyi, pero how can you do that if you're holding on to something na hindi naman na nag-work or hindi na kayo nagbe-benefit pa, 'di ba? You know yourself, Capricorn, you are very materialistic person to some of you. Hindi ko nilalahat. O kinuulit ko para lang doon sa mga titik na sila ay napaka-materialistic, magastos, maluho, 'di ba? So if you think and if you can see and if you can feel naman natin, experience man hindi ka na nagbe-benefit from that business, from that company, from that work, then let it go, give it up kasi if hindi ka na nagbe-benefit, how can you sustain your luho, your needs, your want, how can you provide for yourself, for your family, 'di ba? It's better for you to try an alternative work, alternative business, or try something else na possible kang mag-gain or mag-earn ng something at mag-earn ng growth as well. 'Di ba? I can see your Capricorn, sometimes you need some help. You are very strong and independent sign and person. I know that. Pero sometimes you really need to ask for some help or to ask some help to other people, to your family, to your friends, to your relatives. 'Di ba? Kasi medyo may takot ka ditong mag-try ng something else eh. Mag-try ng something new. You need to take risks at the same time. Okay? Kasi may new opportunity na gaantay sa Capricorn. In the middle of that tunnel, there is a light, there is a success, but you need to face the obstacle first, okay? What more? Okay, Capricorn, may tendency yumaman yung iba sa inyo. Okay, or mag-boom sa pagnanegosyo. So, there's a lot of Capricorns talaga na natututong mag-handle ng kanilang sariling business, but some of other Capricorns are afraid to open their own business kasi they are very sigurista at siguristo sa kanilang mga action. Gusto nila is, gusto ninyo, to some of you, is talaga sigurado kayo or gusto niyo ng assurance na magbo-boom kapag nag-invest kayo. But now is the perfect time, Capricorn, to invest. Okay, to invest a business. To buy a property or to open your own business, open your own store or shop or whatever it is na nasa utak ninyo na business. For the go na kayo dito, Capricorn, kasi maybe ito na yung time at chance niyo para mag-boom at matutong mag-handle ang sarili ninyong negosyo, okay? What else? Okay. Oh, see? Talaga natatakot kayong masaktan, natatakot kayo mag-feel na mabaliwala ang lahat ng pera ninyo. So that's why you need a help, Capricorn. And I can see you're a person. Someone is planning to help you. It's either to give you an idea, an option, or literally to help you to build a business. It could be a collab. Someone's planning to collab with you para makipag-shosyo or tulungan ka sa negosyo. This person's look like trying to stand up for you. It could be your partner, your person, your family, relatives, brothers and sisters, friend, 'di ba, na gustong mag-stand up para sa iyo, para tulungan ka sa bagay na to. So, you just need to consider sometimes na need mo rin ng help. Because as a Capricorn, okay, 'di ba, you used to to ignore other people's options, other people's suggestion kasi nga uh, you are very high and mighty, kumbaga napaka-pride ninyo, napakataas ang standard ninyo kasi alam niyo sa sarili ninyong kaya niyo dahil independent ka kayong tao. But now is the time to take some or to appreciate these people na gusto kayong tulungan, Capricorn. Okay, let's move forward to your health. That's for your career, okay, or business matter. Health, Capricorn, okay, wag kayo masyadong mag-overthink kasi sobrang dami yung overthink. Okay, hindi naman kayo katulad ng other zodiac signs na caring-carry or kaya nilang i-manage ang pag-overthink. Sometimes, may mga Capricorn na kaya, but only a few. Most of you Capricorns are someone or somebody na hindi talaga literally kaya mag-overthink or mag-isip ng sabay-sabay. So, may possibility na magkaroon kayo ng mental health problems or kayo po ay ma-depress. Kaya bawas-bawasan natin yung pag-overthink ng mga bagay-bagay. Okay? What more? And I think kailangan iset aside nyo nga yun. Aside from that, iwasan nyo muna yung mga bagay na possible magbigay sa inyong stress. Okay? Para hindi kayo atakihin ng anxiety ninyo, Capricorn. You need also to work a lot, Capricorn. You really need to be productive. Every day should be productive kasi it is your core as a person, as a Capricorn. You are a very workaholic person, Capricorns, okay? You cannot just sit down there and wait for something, 'di ba? Okay, like parang nag-antay ka na lang ng grasya, etc. So, kailangan gumagalaw kayo para gumagalaw din ang swerte sa inyo. That is connected to your career, but I'm just telling you, it's more on about your health naman tayo, diba, right now. So, kailangan nyo rin gumalaw-galaw para yung circulations ng bloods ninyo, ng mga veins ninyo, ng organs ninyo is mag-function, okay? At para rin medyo may exercise kayo, to be honest, it's more about exercise. Kailangan ninyo mag-ehersisyo para sa inyong health. Okay, para kayo ay maging matatag pa rin at malakas. At hindi kayo masyadong mag-focus doon sa mga bagay na nakaka-stress. It's an alternative way para medyo ma-avoid ninyo na mag-overthink at mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. At the same time, Capricorn, for what I am seeing here, just like what I mentioned, be productive, take some vitamins, eat some healthy, be cautious sa mga kinakain ninyo, sa mga ini-insert ninyo sa katawan ninyo. Inumin man ito or pagkain, okay, any kind of food or drinks, be more cautious and take some background info about the food, about the drinks, diba, na ini-insert or tinitik ninyo, even in meds, okay? So, I think this is for your short general reading, Capricorn, in love, career, and health matters for April 24, 2025, Thursday, okay? So, I hope na may mga makaresonate at mag-leave kayo ng comment dito sa ating YouTube channel kung kayo ay nakaresonate. And don't forget to share this to your other platforms and to your other friend na Capricorn, Sun, Moon, and Rising Sign para maging aware sila rito kung sila ay may problem sa health, sa career, or sa love. So, that's all for now. And comment down below kung anong zodiac sign ang next din na gusto kong basahin or gusto nyong i-read ko para magkaroon kayo ng general guidance for love, health, and career. That's all for now. See you again, mga Mystic, and good luck. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for all videos para po kayo ay ma-notify kapag ako ay may new uploads. Okay, that's all for now, and goodbye.